Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design Learning Solidworks Advanced Sketch Tools. So in this video, we are going to explore the advanced sketching tools, right? Like convert entities, mirrors, linear patterns and move entities, right? So this will we will cover in the video. So we will first move on to the convert entities, how to use this command. It is very useful command when you are working in a 3D. So let's say you have this component. I will teach you 3D afterwards. Okay, let's say I am doing this 3D and I have created the plane over here. Let's say it's 100 mm away from this, and this sketch I have to same apply on the this plane, right? So what you will guys do, you will just sketch this and measure the dimension, or you can say you will do like this as a reference, like so it will have the created sketch. But for me to make this easy as possible, so what can I do? I will just select this lines which I want to convert into the sketch in this plane, right? So you have to sketch in this plane only, particular plane. And now I will do the convert entities. Now as you can see, my sketch has been projected in this plane, right? So it will be very easy for converting the sketches. So this is one of the most useful command, and it is having one option, that is intersection curve, that we will use in afterwards, right? Second command, we will move on to the, in the same sketch we will move on. Let's say I'm deleting first this extrude, right? So let's say I'm having this command, and I want to offset these entities, right? So what you will do, you can just click on the edge. If you select the chain, it will select the whole geometry or sketch, right? So select the chain. Also you can do the reverse and dimension. Let's say I'm going to apply the 5. If you want a bi-directional, you can do the cap ends. If you have the open sketch, then it will ask for a cap ends as well. If you want to base the geometry, this geometry will be the construction line if you select the base geometry. And if you select the offset, then your offset geometry will be construction, right? So for now, let's say I'm doing one open sketch here. Now you want to close with a offset command only. So what I will do, I will just select this one. I will select off, and I will select the cap ends, which is the arc. As you can see, if I do the line, then this will be something look like this. So it will automatically create this arc, right, according to your thickness. Let's say I'm modifying this thickness up to 7, then it will automatically adjust, right? So these are some very useful commands while you are using the sketch. Now in the mirror entities, okay, let me create a new sketch. Let's delete this. For mirror, you have to apply the reference line over here, which is act as a normal mirror line, right? So if you want to copy this, so what you have to do, you can just go to the mirror entities to mirror, and mirror about this one. If you want to move this, you can untick the copy, so it will move, right? And if you want to copy, then entities to mirror and mirror about this one. Okay, you select the copy, and whatever dimension you are changing over here, it will change in this one also. So let's say I'm changing 25, so it will have the 25, right? So these both are equal. If you select this will have a mirror relation showcase, right? So that's how you can apply the mirror sketch. Now one of the most useful command is there, that is a linear and circular pattern. So we will move on first linear pattern. Let's say if you have created this one. Now if you want to pattern in horizontal and vertical both, what you can do, you can just select the linear sketch pattern, the x-axis direction, okay. What is the distance between two instances, and what are a number of instances you want to add. Let's say I'm about 5, okay. And entities to pattern, 1 2 3 4. Okay, as you can see, in the y-axis also I want to increase the pattern, right? So if I want to 6 degree, and also you can apply the 0 degree, 90 degree, right? Let's say I'm doing a 45, so it will create on a 45. You can just control via this point also, but that is not very accurate. You can just input the value accordingly, right? So it will have the good accuracy according to your requirements. So you can just, if you want to skip any instances, let's say if you are designing the electronic circuit, so what you can do, you can just go to the instances to skip. Let's say I don't want this, this and this. If you click it OK, then you will have the create, and yeah, I'm done with the pattern, right? The same you can do for a circular pattern. So let's move on to the circular pattern now. You need a circular profile to pattern this circular pattern. So what you can do, when I was in the first or second standard, I used to draw this in a paint. It was very, so let's use the mirror command for now. So let's use the basic mirror. Okay, and this will be my mirror line, mirror about this. Okay, let's say I have to pattern this in the circular profile. What you can do, you can just go to the circular profile, and you can have the parameters, which is this one, entities to pattern. Okay, clear, and this one, and how many patterns you want. It looks like a Shaktiman logo, but okay. Let me reduce the size. If you want to skip the instances, you can just click it OK, and it will skip that. So you can just click on the equal dimension for distribution, and dimensional radius you can provide, right? And there are a lot of options you can explore. This is radius, this is degrees, and you will click it OK. As you can see, now I can just, yeah, good. Something Beyblade you can make, right? So these are some options, and also move and copy rotate instances is there. So this is not very useful command for me personally, because in my 8 years experience, I have used very less about these sketch tools, right? Because it's not necessary. So you can just click it off, and you can move around the coordinates. So you can explore by yourself. So these are some advanced sketch tools I have displayed. Okay, and thanks for the video, for watching, and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.